Alright, good morning, yo. This is gonna be the first cook on the new Blackstone, and I kind of seasoned it last night, but I think I can see where I missed some of the corners and stuff. I kind of did it at night, and it was hard to see. You got to get this thing perfectly level and to keep the grease going in the right spot. So anyways, we're gonna cook on it this morning and then maybe re-season it again, try to get it more level. That is the key, apparently. All right, so got our gas on. Yeah, gas is on. Let's kind of fire this thing up. I like these things. Let's see. Let's see. Alright, there we go. There's 1, 2. Alright, we're just gonna put it on low, because we're doing a simple little breakfast this morning. Let's move all this stuff out the way. We're gonna do some bird's nest eggs. Real simple. How many you want, baby? How many you want? 2? Just 1? Yeah, get some Canadian geese out of the backyard. Get your butter ready. Get you something circular. Make a circle. The bread you use is important too. Try to get a thick bread. We've been using this Nature's Own multigrain. Man, it's been some of the best bread we've had. What's this thing? Comes up to temp. Test it with a little butter. Yeah, we're good. So you want to throw a pat of butter down for each one. I'm just gonna do them on this low, it's not so hot area. 1, 2, 2, 3. Move it up to a little warmer so we can get the eggs cooked. Got those guys down. 1, 2, 3. Get your eggs. 1, 2, 3. Maybe a little more heat. A little salt. A little pepper. Yeah, these things are great too. And they were cool. Alright. I'm gonna throw some sausage on too. There's just some frozen Jimmy Dean sausage for this morning. Test out how they do on here. There we go. Alright, I'll let this cook a little bit and then we'll be back. Alright, we're coming along pretty good here. Yeah, I like this little griddle. I like having all the space. This is the 22-inch Adventure Ready Blackstone. But alright, we're gonna flip these. Flip it down a little bit. Lift this off. That's not working that great. Alright, so that one was a total failure. We need some more butter too. Gotta put butter on before you flip them. It's so hot out here, the butter's just melting. Alright, let's try this one. That one did alright. Yeah, that one's okay. Put these guys in here. Everybody does theirs different. Oh, I need some cheese. Hey, you can grab some sliced cheese. It don't matter. Whatever you want. Yeah, definitely some areas are hotter than other areas. Is it more hot or hotter? A lot of stuff about English class in high school. Just don't remember, like, what's a dangling participle? So silly. Alright. Thank you. I will trade you. Thank you. I'll throw some aged white cheddar on there because I can relate. Once this melts, we're pretty much done. Set this off to the side. I got this little cover. Look at that. Yeah. I'm kind of getting jammed in here. I need more space. I had to put this in front of my grill because I have this little canopy right here to keep the sun off because Louisiana is miserable. And then I got the smoker right there. So to get to the grill, I gotta move this, and I gotta come up with a better setup, but maybe another canopy. It seems excessive. I guess having a grill, a smoker, and a griddle is excessive, but don't judge me. All right, let's see how we're doing here. Need more melty. More melty. Let's get our plates ready. Just put that here to bring all this inside. Iced coffee in the morning in Louisiana. It's necessary. It's imperative. See how we're doing. Getting there. Let's move these to a less hot part of the grill so we're not burning our toast. Move that guy to the hot spot there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're looking good now. 1, 2. I think this is the one with the busted yolk. She likes the busted yolks. There we go. Quick and easy breakfast on the Blackstone skillet. About to go eat and go be miserably hot outside doing stuff in Louisiana. Alright, bye.